In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your YouTube thumbnail not loading. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes what we can try. So fix number one is going to be to check your internet connection. So a weak or unstable connection is one of the most common causes for this. So try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your router and try loading thumbnails on another website to compare as well. Next fix is to go ahead and do a hard refresh on your browser. So go ahead and click on Control and F5 on Google Chrome, and now this is going to do a hard refresh. As you can see, it's going to refresh my page. Next fix is to go ahead and clear cache and cookies. Now to do this, we need to head into settings. So click on the three dots top right hand corner of the page, click into settings. Then on the left hand side, look for privacy and security. Click onto delete browsing data, so delete history, cookies, cache and more. But we don't need to delete browsing history, only cached image files, cookies and other site data. Make sure to check all time as well and go ahead and delete data. Now the next fix we can try is go ahead and disabling any extensions that is running in the background. So to do this, click onto your extension button, click onto manage extensions. Now you want to go ahead and disable all these extensions, and then from here go back to YouTube, see if thumbnails are working again. Now if they are, come back here and start enabling your extensions one by one to see what extension is the culprit. Now, if we got any VPNs or proxies running in the background as well, go ahead and disable them. Now, another fix is to see if YouTube is down. So to do this, just go ahead and type in "is YouTube down?" to do a Google search, Yahoo search or whatever, and go to any one of the top results. So I'm just going to do downdetector.com. Now, if there are any issues, it's going to show you here, and there's nothing you can do but just wait it out.